What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs for 16876 Jamaica people. You don't know sir, Jamaica man living in what? Toronto, Canada. And today my people is a special vlog. A different type of vlog me are going to. Today we are walk around to some different locations. So today we are at Home Depot. Right? But what we are do today now people, we are go see the Black Friday sales and deals when I'm have half away for this Black Friday. We are come up. Right? I don't know so Black Friday next week, the 30th, right? So when the video come out, I'll probably be closed. But Black Friday week start the 21st for all of the sales them. So I'm going to go Home Depot and show you guys a couple sales we are going. So by the time the video drop, you can go there for Black Friday and go get deals them and stuff them you need. You don't know say we are all know people, so you don't know say more furnitures and home supplies and stuff like that we are going to look for because you don't know where build yard, house or yard, and we have to get the thing them right. So again my people, thanks to everybody who been liking, sharing and subscribing, and big up all of the new followers them who come over and still support your boy. The people them again too, big on up who comment on the last video and say, yo Jay, finish up the place some more before you move on and do anything else. You understand? Don't rent it out right now. So I'm taking advice and we'll also finish up some more and paint out the place more and finish out the outside wall properly, paint it down and stuff like that and get the place up and running. You understand? So people, again, if you're new here, it's 416-876 Jamaica, my people. And I do a lot of Canadian vlogs, and I do a lot of Jamaican vlogs and home building and stuff like that when we're there yard and abroad. So right now, people, I don't think we have seen no sales as yet. I say sales on these stuff right now. Barbecue, some barbecue grill. But I don't really see no more sales. This one say display unit 50% off. So 50% of this here are getting my people. So that's about what? So I say 7 bills that. So about 350 for this. It's not bad at all, but for 350, can probably get something better than that, man. Yeah, man, we can probably get something better than that for 350. So I don't really see no sales and deals in Home Depot. Oh, them there the 40 volt, 280 for them there, Because I want to buy one of them lawnmower thing here, my people. 20% off, $98. I don't get one of them here. But a $98 for it, not too bad. But the battery, if you come with the 40 volt battery, quite expensive, $200 for your battery alone. So now gonna make no sense. So you probably can buy them one day, use or something like that. You see it? I not look for winter stuff because I plan to stay in Canada for winter. No sir. Alright, well people, go see what else them have. And I think they're going to really have nothing. I'll be a winter stuff they really have right now. When I really useful for no Jamaican. Who I go back a yard right now. So some power tools, I'm not even have no power tools on sales. So over here so really not I not really see them have no sales or nothing like that. Home Depot. Go over lighting and tiling fixtures and see what I go on. But so far my people, we don't see no sales over here, for Black Friday deals and sales. Lights and stuff like that. We need some bathroom lights. But we don't really see no sales, my people. So we are going to probably evacuate from this place. I need some of them, not even them, they on sales, my people. Nightstand lamps. I could probably get some of Amazon because them are cheap bad, my people, because I don't see no sales. No sales when I some people. You look at lamps things them. Yeah man, no sales not there, my people. So I'm gonna even tell you say you're a screw or boo or anything like that. Because I can't spend hard earned money when no sales not there. Remember we are sales people, Yeah man, we love with sales, No sales but like local light fixtures thing them. But no sales. Like the tree light one day, can I go in a bathroom. But again, no sales. And them not too bright, yeah man. Go past them. I have some nice ones over here, nice chandelier stuff though. Yeah. But the prices them not too bad too. I got active and there Jamaica, my people. The fans, them, I think them have a fan pan sale. I think they want a pan sale, my people. But I think I see them price for the one I see at Jamaica too, you know. I think on a 52 inches one too, you know. So again, no sales not really there. So you can buy them fan in Jamaica, you don't have to ship them. And around the same price you go really pay when you calculate them up. Probably pay a little bit more, but if you put shipping in consideration and clearing them, then the idea I see you spend a lot more money. You know, they are bathroom and lighting fixtures. Like I say, people don't think we get nothing. But I want something like this for me, one in my living room. One of them middle one, 269 feet. Again, we're there at Jamaica. I got tour down the place. Oh, this municipal Amazon and me don't want to buy my people. 3 bills feet. And I want them nice, we go in the kitchen. Yeah man, them want them nice, man. More people, I'm not going to really prolong the videos for a year. Because I don't see no sale. I don't want the video to be too long because we have got a couple multiple locations today. Alright, my people, so stay tuned for the next stores them because they wanna not happen right now for we. So stay tuned for the next thing them people. Peace. So people, welcome back. Alright now people, we're at Scarborough Town Center. I'm going to my mic. Make sure I lock the car door. What's going on with my mic? 1 second, my people. Yeah, well, people, so now we're at Scarborough Town Center and we're going to see what deals them have for offer with today in the mall. Yeah, we're going to see what deals them have for offer with in the mall right now and what we can show, you know, and stuff like that. So we are going to go through the mall and then we are going to Best Buy and we are going to see what kind of deal over here. If no deal, no dead, but we'll try our best to show, you know, the deals them are going. I know it's a Freedom Mobile, if you're in Ontario or Canada, you know it's a Freedom Mobile right now. They have a good deal for people like me who love to travel to different countries. So they have a 100 gigabyte roaming plan right now. Plus to give you 20 extra gigabyte for 100 destination in the world. And you know where the panel is? Jamaica. So you know, so when I reach Jamaica, I don't have to rush to go buy a digital card or a flow card. And plus me get unlimited call in a Jamaica and one. Plus I can call Canada for free. Also, so that's a great plan for anybody who travel and I got different islands or different places and you just want to know, so when you're there at the airport you can call somebody right away. You don't have to beg a call or get upset or mad because your phone will be working right away, you understand? So that's good when you can check out something like that. Now go over there so you can see plan for yourself and stuff like that too. So right now people, we're there at Scarborough Town Center right now. Yeah man, so I'm going to show you how the place look right through. So this is one of the mall in a Scarborough. So one of the mall in a Scarborough, but let's check if them have any things on sale. Like me say, so the first week for Boxing for Black Friday. So them are going to have a lot of things on sale. So then say pre-Black Friday right there, so up to 70% off. So them things I try to talk about. So I'm going to go in an urban plan with my people and see if it's in a sale. Music I play loud, you know my people, so I'm going to talk a little bit louder over the music so we're not getting no copyrights or anything like that. But yeah, Forever 21, I think they call the place Urban Planet now. Yeah man, so prefer jackets out and sales and stuff like that my people. So we'll go upstairs and see if we can find anything on sale. I don't really see too much sale stuff go on. But then say the first week, right? So I'll go check it out and see what go on. I have kids stuff, girl stuff, boy stuff, man stuff, Forever 21 man stuff. Again, I don't really see too much. The deals are go on and the music loud. So I might just come out here, say, but I go and walk and show and walk, go and see and way. Yeah man, my peeps. Man stuff. Pants are not too bad, you know, but I have a whole heap of stuff. I don't know, them are not too bad either. But people may come out of here so because the music is too loud. The music too loud for me to stay in here. I don't really want no copyright and things, cause them things are just so hard to take out the music out on the video them and stuff. And it just spoil up the video them, you understand? Same thing happened to me my vlogging when I did DR. When they had the party stuff them and a big copyright stuff come up for the video them, so them video them don't really get a lot of attraction because YouTube now go promote it because of the third party restrictions and stuff like that, so I have to mute out most of the video, and then when I mute out most of the video then you don't get the looks they you'd want, you understand? So I try to avoid all of the copyrights and stuff like that. Really nice, you know my people. Pretty girl that man. But yeah my people, I'm going over Freedom Mobile right now and show you guys one of the plans them what them have for Black Friday. So I'm going to go over here so now and showing you the Black Friday plans them. So this one right here, so now my people, I think this is the Black Friday promotion right here, so you can zoom it up and see it. And if you go up on the website, you will see the 100 gigabyte one me talk. So you want the Roam Beyond. So the Roam Beyond now my people, at that give the deal, limited time. Only $24 under deals. And this is Old Navy. So I'm going to go over there and see what deals they have in a Old Navy right now. Again, my people, music too loud. You know, so we are going to walk out. Simple as that. Come in here, some old people, and go check it out. Again, my people, I don't really see no deals and no sales like that. 30% off, 30% off, 20% off, 40% off, or no $40. One of them things. Winter, and my people, winter jacket out. 30% off, so they have stuff on sale still, but I'm mostly like 30% off and them type of vibes there. We are see right now. See, be a 30% off and stuff. Yeah, see. So nothing not too special. And I don't really like Old Navy clothes them anymore. So I can walk out of the place there. Because them don't really have enough sales. Or really are going right here now. If I really can say, yeah. Alright, well people, let's go to a different store. People, and I really want to vlog now. So when I see a store we have deals, I'll go show it to you. Alright, peace out. So yes my people, so they have a next store. This is a next store right here. Let me see if I could get a thumbnail for this Black Friday right here. 1 second. Yeah man, my people, so Black Friday deals. So we just need one for a thumbnail, but right now this place called Fairweather. Again, not my type of place, but them have a whole heap of sales going on right now for a lot of stuff. And again people, music is very loud, so don't think me can stay in this store for too long. Them call it like the brown people store, yeah man, be honest with you. So right now we are walk over to Adidas, but again my people set up to 75% off. I think the same sale what them do these years are for Black Friday. I see them sale them do for Boxing Day in Canada, because Boxing Day our 50% off day, but them stop that now. So we're going to Adidas, see if Adidas have no sale. They said mid sale, 40% off store wide. So let's go check them out. So this is in Adidas. Again people, the music is loud. I think every store start doing this because they don't want people to vlog in their stores. So, and they have a lot of nice things, you know my people, but can't really stay in there because the noise is too loud for me. But them have 40% off right there, some people. Let's go to Foot Locker, that's right here. Again, my people, I'm in Scarborough Town Center. So anybody want to come check it out, yeah, come check it out. Let's go in from this side. See if they have no sales. Oh, them lock it. Let's go around in the side then. So right now, people are entering Foot Locker right now and see if them are gonna have no sale. And so I'm gonna take 25% off. So that's the most Foot Locker is really giving you guys. 25% off, alright? So again, nice little shoes and stuff like that. And I really have nothing what me want. You see, I shoes me, I'll bring you to our next place. You know? I just go drive go over there just because of you guys. It's called See If You Play. Them have one right now, right by the mall. So I'm gonna drive over there and show you guys. But right over here, so now my people, them have shoes here, man, but not my style what I like. And them 30% off, and I think in a See If You Play, my people, you get them have it cheaper, you know, right? I know they must sell this for $175, and I See If You Play, I think about $69 for them. So that's a way somewhere you can go and buy stuff around here. So now one more the exclusive part, but them have nice shoes and stuff like that. But again, the people, the music is loud and I can't make the Drake song you pass me in the video, you know. Some people, I will be back because right now we can't have the Drake song you playing at the video. We're at Champs and we're going to see if we see any sales right now. Let me ask her, do you guys have any Black Friday deals going on right now? Not till next week, okay? Alright. So no Black Friday deals going on right now in Champs. Not till next week. Some people start from this week because this week only for people that get paid. Let's go ask and guess. Yeah, nice photo shoot this for doing my people. Just want to get back at studio, man. Ooh, I like this one. I should take a picture of this, see if I could get someone to do this. This one is nice. Let's check that out. Let's take a picture so we can get somebody to do it. Yeah. Alright, my people, I don't think guests have I don't see no discount signs or anything. I could go downstairs with people. So again, my people, we're at Scarborough Town Center again. Alright, so anybody want to know? Right, that's over there. You know, I got seen a 50% off a Starbucks ever, so don't really look over this, so that is it. But we're there in the mall with people. I walk where I look, and I might go downstairs to IKEA. I want to check out IKEA and see if they have no sales in IKEA. And after this, we just gotta go over Scarborough, the Best Buy, and see anything I got on a Best Buy. If nothing, that's it, you know, my people. I think they have Tommy Hilfiger and Calvin Klein downstairs, so you're gonna check out them. I'm gonna check out IKEA and see if no sales are going. But right now, the best time to come out and look to see what you can get in for the holiday, buy your present them and stuff like that. If you can, if you make the money there, you're on a budget, you come out and so you can get for your house or your loved ones them, right? Simple much. But right now, I'm going to check out IKEA. So I'm going to check out IKEA right now and see if they have no sales or anything like that going on. Some people, I love IKEA and I like how them always, how them just set up them rooms them. The room setup is just so nice, like, look at that. But it look a bit expensive though. But that's like a couch bed right there, so my people, I can buy them there. Look how them set up all in kitchen, like, the vibe just, you know? Holy. Cabinets and stuff like that. What, $500 off a cabinet? What's on a 500? Probably for one piece that. Probably a one piece, because for 5 beds, so all like that, me would I get it. Combination price. I don't see no sales in your door. That's the next thing. I don't see no sales over here. But I could go and walk and look still. I also have their little cafeteria area also. But everything when them sell over there, pork or vegetarian. And no chicken option. That dog them, everything. So there'll be pillows, sides and stuff like that. So if anybody now knows the IKEA in a Scarborough Town Centre, no, you can come get a local stuff them. But it's not a big store. You need some of them stuff, you know. And I have black one that I like for the house. Might still come and buy some of these. Yeah. I think I'm going to pick up 3 of them, you know, my people. Or me just come back one day when I really go shopping. But those are cheap. Yeah, very cheap. I like the aesthetic of it also. Blankets and pillows and all of them stuff there. Them have over here. Let's go over to the light section. See what go on over there. So again, people, I have a little bit of sales that go on with some the yellow tag prices in them. But not really a whole heap of sale that go on still. Lamps, more lamps. But them lamps look so small though. $59 for one. You can go for one of them size of them have man. These are like babies. But I need to buy some lamps for the house also. People building a house, you know, man, it just costs, you know, but at the end of the day, you will see what you work so hard for and finish up for, you know what I mean? But boy, oh boy, it costs a lot, man, just to get the finishing touches done. So, I'll go and pull through still and make it work, you know? Again, I don't really have a lot of sales going on here, but we can really point out, you know. Oh, them things are cheap, $2 one, you know. Oh, $2 for a pack. These are cheap. Them are plastic. So now I know I'm to come and get some house stuff. But these are cheap. I'll come back on the weekend. Them have spoons and stuff like that. Yeah, for $1.99. So I have to buy some of these because you know. Let me have $4, $5 for the swoop one day. But gentle pattern, yeah, them say $1.99, so I don't know if I have all I stuff them. But yeah, $1.69, all plastic and stuff. All plastic and stuff. $6.99. If you have pack of stuff them where I want in your yard to use. Yeah, they got it all. Pots and stuff on sale. Pot sets, scissors, utensils and all of them stuff there. Yeah, them have it over here, my people. So, I can pack a barrel out of them from right here, so you see it. Yeah, man, no joke no night, no lollipop thing. Cups and stuff like that. You can go to the dollar store and get cups though. Get all packs of cups for $4. It's like $1 one, you see it. So, but you know you want fancy cups and stuff like that too. So wine glass and stuff again you can go to the dollar store and get them there. I go pack some of them there. So also, you know, teacups and all of them there. Again you can go to the dollar store and get most of them things here. And I really have to come to IKEA. And I think this is about it. Yeah, a little bit of stuff, 99 cents tray, organizer. So they have a little bit of everything here. So if you don't want to come check it out, they have sales for a little bit of stuff. Not a lot of stuff. So we'll go and walk it through and watch you go on. Mirrors and stuff. Yeah, like I can't buy no mirror and them stuff there, you know, my people, because if you ship off them stuff there, you know, so them things they might get cracked. And a whole heap of people may say, ship off mirrors and stuff like that and a crack. It's like offers of the day. So the Love Culture 119. So the clock around here, so where you get the cheaper offering stuff. Yeah, for cheaper $39 and $12 stuff them. Jill kits and stuff like that. Windows and stuff. How much is this? $13 for that right there, some people. A lie. I mean, I look for buy one of them, you know. A lie. But them are too big for me. But me don't want them for downstairs. But I think I finish up the downstairs kitchen for now. But a lie. $13, my people. See price there. Wish them in down black though. So them like them have some stuff around here upon sales, my people. How much for this? Oh, that's something different. Cause I say what? I don't have too much stuff still, but this is what them are half hour for the day. And call it a day. Yeah man. How much should it take, brother? 2 bills for that. So that's about it for IKEA, my people. That's about it for IKEA. So right now we're going to leave and probably go check out Walmart. And I think we're going to check Walmart, because Walmart never really have nothing like that for we really can really want to buy. So we're going to go head over to Best Buy, because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm going to head over to Best Buy and see if they have no sales over Best Buy right now. Hopefully they do. It's like me I walk in a big fat circle, my people. Like me can't get out of this place. Holy. But we head out of the place now, people. Soon over Best Buy. 3, 2, 1. Yes, my people, before I leave out here, I show you this concept kitchen. I'm going to be doing the same concept right here. I'm going to do an open kitchen like this downstairs, but I'm going to get them built in properly. I don't want them weak thing. But we're going to have an open concept. I even like this idea, having the cups like the bars and stuff like that. So I'm going to have an open concept kitchen. I don't want no shelving, because we have a whole heap of shelves down below. So we're going to do something like this, an open concept type of vibe kitchen. Like, you know, you just check out it. And downstairs, it's downstairs looking at my people. Nice and open. But I still walk through right around here still. And see if I can see any more deals. Like I said, my people, the 25% off is the deals. Like the yellow tags is the deals them around the place. Okay, them have, what kind of chair them here? $25 one? Some stools, you know, my people. $25 one, you know, my people. I want to see if them have none. We're out. I want to see a display unit. Because for $25 for your chair, you know, I get them there, you know, you can push out what them in a barrel and send to. I don't know if I them one, yeah. Because if I them, them too short still. But it don't look like that still. It kinda, yeah, I think of them there, you know, my people, but yeah, them go on, yeah. No, cannot use them this still. They're too short. And I need like bar stools. Yeah. Yeah man, my people, so we still walk through a place. I'm like, look upon these nice little concepts, my people. Yeah, some people, you don't need nothing too big in here. You can be like a nice little kitchen and look how nice. Just something simple and nice, and you know, so you're good with life. Stop rushing now, yeah, people. Stop rushing the property them now and build up what we want and build up something nice and easy. Like all over here, so around here, so look nice. And I saw my kitchen sink state, you know, my people, and I saw my kitchen area look to, you know, and we do the open shelf type of vibe. Yeah, man, we're going to get the free. So, them have it over here, sir. Yeah, man, we can do the same thing like this, you know, my people. Now, make me know where I go on. Make me know where I go on. Okay, I'm buy some of them silver things there, you see it? So, I can walk through again with people. I can walk through. Yeah, man, I just showing you the designs, them, man. Can get some ideas from them. Like all the one here too. Need some stools, $125 one for stools them. Probably favorable just buy them at Jamaica and call it a day. Alright, well people, I go head out of the store right now and head over to Best Buy and see what Best Buy have for half a week now. Because over here so them have sales but not really enough sales to make somebody go ooh for. So we have to walk out of the place now and head back around. I like how them always design them stuff, them the interior designer people them have can really design properly still, like but I hire one of them, but I'm an interior designer myself. I take my time and do what we have to do. We call it a day. So right now people we're gonna leave out here now and go find a different store if you go antagonize. Holy, where do I walk out of this place, man? It's so big. People still know Best Buy. People, so we're in Blue Notes, and right now they do have sales. Right now, they do have sale, but the music is loud. I'm trying to pick up this jacket right here, my people. It's $119, but it's $50 off, 50% off. So you know, say about $60 yeah pay fee, right? But I go on walk around again and see what go on. Like the music is loud, my people, so we can't really stay in here for too long. But Blue Notes, them actually have 50% off everything in Blue Notes. So that's one of the places where you can come and say, you know, Rusker, because they do actually have 50% off in this store. So let's walk over to the female side, and they also have buy one get one free also. So if you're in them things there, or like Blue Notes quality, you can forward over Blue Notes and get some stuff. But yeah, so it's 50 off. So females them out there, you know, people who are buy stuff to send to Jamaica or send worldwide, you know, or just a order and you just like to buy stuff and just have, you can come vibe. Because right now you see all of the nice little things for all the female in. Yeah man, I'm have a whole heap of things, man. Now come through people, come through. Like me a them sale person, me I tell you no. Alright, well people, we're gonna go the hell over to Walmart right now. And we're gonna check what Walmart have. And after we do Walmart, we're gonna go to Best Buy. And then we're gonna, I think I'm gonna end off the vlog. I was supposed to go to Seaview Play to see on Seaview Play, but I don't think I really want to drive over there. So next time, me include that in a different vlog. Probably one of my tea talk them when we walk and talk. Me include the Best Buy vlogs. Alright, the Seaview Play vlogs them. But like me some people, me just come out here to show you know, what really depend on sales. So when Black Friday reach, you can come through and come buy up what you want for buy up for you know, people them or for yourself. Because right now, the way the money thing are going right now, the money not really there if you even buy things for people right now. God know. So everybody who think they might get a barrel this year, you know, just know say, not a barrel shipping off. Remember that, because over here hard this year for a lot of people. Everybody a cry. Yeah man. I don't know if I just Canada alone, or the Ontario alone, or Toronto alone. But me know say, a lot of people cry. It's a vlogging camera.
Where did you get that?
Oh, you can get it at Best Buy too. It's called the DJI Pocket 3. So it's like a little camera.
Gorgeous.
Yeah man.
How much?
It's like $1,000. But you could get it for like $750 with just the...
$1,000?
Yeah.
I bet the damn thing is...
Alright man. Alright. The man say $1,000 for that thing there. But buy me in the Panaka. He's on one of those. He's on one of those thingy. Like one of them scooter thing there. So I must say him buy him scooter for $1,000 and he can't buy a camera for $1,000. And things are crazy. You see it, so that he must say. So people right now within a Walmart and I go check out some of the furniture products them. I don't know certain things that we always look for and some storage things, and I go see what them have on sale. Then we just head out of here because I don't really think them have nothing on sale right now, but we still have to check just so who not really have no time for go out there. Now that's why I do them vlogs more time to my people. Some amount of people don't really have no time because sometimes we have to work all at 9 to 5. And when we done with 9 to 5, we have to go on a night job. Yeah man, just to make ends meet man. Yeah man, out there rough these days now. People like me that say, I don't know if I Canada alone, I feel it. But out there rough this year man. Bookings, photo shoot, music videos, my production thing. Barely get a whole heap of shoot this year, but I have to thank God for what we get still at the end of the day. So right now, I have some nice little plates and stuff on sale, $250 a one. That's not bad. Microwave, you know, so I need to buy a microwave, but $89, that's like $9 in Jamaica. I need a microwave though, but I could just buy them in Jamaica. Like them have some good sales stuff I go on. Blanket, pillow, $3 people. Black Friday, say them have a good sale right, that's how I go on people. $3 for your pillow, my people, was $5. Now you can get a pillow for $3, my people. Like, sorry. Like, $3 and it's soft, you know my people, it's soft. It's not bad, but $3 probably mash up quick still, but $3 for your pillow, Jaja God man. So I don't really walk go around. Alright, I'll go through. I don't see if they have no seals. They have a little bit of seal and these are some pillows and stuff like that. I think I like this one, it's $20 for this one. And it's really soft too, $20 again. And this one is heavy. And a $20 fee too. And it's soft, you know my people. Yeah man, it's soft and nice man. So I need to buy a sheet set too, you know, because I don't know. And then right now we're around this side of it. Need a clock. They might have storage stuff right here. How much is these other stuff? Couple of nightstand type of vibes, but we don't buy up a nightstand already and everything. Got table glasses and stuff like that. Futon thing right here. Wow, me know so them futon $230 for this, you know my people. This is nice and you can pull out in our bed. But I love to buy one of this in my upstairs room. Wow. Because Jamaica, you know my people, this alone right I say, you can buy right now, this will cost at least $80,000, $90,000 Jamaican. For buy, I'm not lie to you. $159 for what? For this. But them futon set, my people, I would love to buy one. I have some bar stools right here, $89. If that was $89 for two, but I'll buy that still. Got $89 for one. So, I don't really have too much things on sales over here. So we're going to head over to Best Buy right now. And then show you what going over Best Buy. People, I'm going to show you how outside look. For all of the foreign people who really know travel. I'm going to show you how Best Buy look right. How outside look right now. And right now it's just 4:30, you know my people. And y'all see how dark it is outside right now. Remember, it's only 4:30. Now look at this. This is why I don't really like winter time. Because I don't really like to drive at night time no more in the darkness. But this is what we get. This is the country we live in. So we have to just go on easy and do what we got to do. But yeah, it's only 4:30 right now, my people, and the place dark up like a 9 o'clock at night already. By the time I go in a Best Buy and come back out of darkness, the whole place I go dark out. Yeah man, my people. So we are going to walk over Best Buy right now and check it out and see if we see no deals we are going. And then we are going to end off the video here. Alright my peeps. Yes, so people, right now we're walking up to Best Buy and we're going to check out if they have no sales or no deals and stuff. But you can see right now, people, them already start the Black Friday sales right now. So right now we just go walk in and see the sales them what them have. I'm have a scooter, you know, my people, for $2 $150 off. I want to buy one of them scooter here, but can't really like watch your line long for Samsung. I want to go on over Samsung today. People deals and sales are going over here, so over here, so we're there. Yeah man. TVs, my people, watch ya. 75-inch TV, $899. You have a next 75 one right here, so TCL $699, you know, my people, for 75-inch, you know. You know, back in the days I can't buy 75-inch, you know, my people, watch it. 65-inch QLED TV, you know, my people, what? $550. $550 for one TV now. That cheap now, man, my people. And then you can't even buy them things there at Jamaica to the price them so still high in a Jamaica. I think it's about 85-inch. This is a QLED TV. I think a Samsung TV this. Yeah man. But I love all one of them here downstairs, you see man. 65-inch TV, $899. 75-inch. I probably want 75-inch, I don't know. People, I could buy one of them here and send down. I would. See real price them for them people, and right now them up on sale. So I don't know. People again, see Black Friday deals and sales. I go walk over to the internet boxes because I need a Wi-Fi extender, that's why I'm really coming here, but I don't think I'm going to buy it today. I just go and watch and see if the prices change in the next couple of days, because we still have like almost a week for Black Friday if we really kick in. So we still have just go watch the price them for now. So we just go and watch the price them, but these sales and deals over here, my people, so you can come through and come look for yourself. Printer days are done with me. I can't tell you when last me print on paper. Yeah, man. But people out there probably print stuff same way. So I'll be a printer them have on sale. So if you like printers and stuff, you can come through and check. Like them have phones on sales too also. Let me go to computers and see if I could see one of these Wi-Fi boxes and ask some questions. Like them have like a gaming type of vibe for Intel, for gamers, for play a whole heap of gamer, gaming seats. All this bad for y'all getting my people. And it all move around to my people. Yeah man, this is that wicked man. $899. See it there? I think this is a lighting and home monitoring. I need to get the internet box. The Echo 9 or something like that. The Aero 9 Wi-Fi box. I don't see them around here. But them have sales up and a lot of stuff to them people. Don't want to go over the music side because the weekend I play. Excuse me. Hi, you know where the Wi-Fi extenders are?
For like home internet?
Yeah, home internet. The routers?
We don't have the home internet Wi-Fi extenders here.
Oh, they're not in stores?
No.
It's only online?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask some more questions, that's why.
Oh, yeah, no, we don't sell the home internet ones here.
Alright, thanks. Alright, people, I'm coming for another year, so might have to just buy it off Amazon and call it a day. But yeah, my people, I have a whole heap of sales here and stuff like that. So you can just come through and prep for yourself and so on that one. You really only come for that sale there, you know, but they not really have it in store. So I just have to go buy it online and just come pick it up. They also have the earpods and sales and stuff like that. I really want to try out the Samsung earpod, you know. I'm going to go back to the Samsung side and see if I could try out one of them. Because, yeah, my people, so that's the sales for these store, my people. So, again, my people, if you enjoy these type of vlog, just let me know. Again, my people, just like, share, and subscribe. If you don't want to see more vlogs like these, just let me know. And again, you can walk through different more stores for you know, before Black Friday if really drop. Yeah, alright? So everybody, again, thanks again for the subscribers and the likes and the comments, and just link me up. That. Peace. Out. 416-876 Jamaica.